Good day. My name is Dr. Gina Newton, Career Technical Education Coordinator with the Los Angeles County Office of Education, and I'm excited to invite you to our CTE Middle School Symposium, the first ever, at LACOE Conference Center, Thursday, May 24th. In March, we emailed a survey to our middle school partners, you, to gauge your staff's knowledge of CTE, which career sectors you currently offer, and what you need to either launch or enhance your CTE pathways, all the way through your feeder high schools. We received valuable feedback about the challenges keeping you from achieving all that you can for your students, and the overwhelming majority of responses indicated a real need for technical assistance and professional development. We're holding this event to directly address your "where do we go from here" questions. So please join us at LACOE for the CTE Middle School Symposium, Thursday, May 24th, for a morning of powerful guest speakers who can support you in moving from point A to point B. Presenters include Bob Tyra, contract consultant here at LACOE extraordinaire, who has a wealth of knowledge about college and career readiness. Don Isbell, director of CTE with Santa Ana Unified School District, who has done some amazing work with middle schools and high school pathways, along with Kathy Boyd, director of CTE and Instructional Services, and Kim Goodwin, district lead counselor, both from the Orange County Department of Education. If you've already registered, great. If not, check your email or follow the link on the screen. I'm so looking forward to meeting and assisting you as you move into the next level of CTE development for your school site. See you soon.